Are you looking for the best tool bag for plumbers? In this video, we will break down the top 4 best tool bags for plumbers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. CLC Custom LEATHERCRAFT 1529 16 Center Tray Tool Bag. This tool bag comes with 16 pockets, where 8 of them are inside the bag and the other 8 are outside of the bag. The main pocket comes with web loops, which means even though this tool bag is smaller than the other ones, it can still hold large tools. Since we will be carrying the tool bag around a lot, then the handles need to be comfortable, right? Well, even though this tool bag doesn't cost as much as the other ones we have listed here, it still comes with extra padded carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps to make the carrying process smoother and easier. It comes with a plastic tray that is used to organize small parts. I use it to hold my nails. The plastic tray is located at the center of the tool bag, which makes it easier to access it. Overall, a great tool bag. I'd recommend checking it out if you don't need a big tool bag, or if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a tool bag. At number 2. WORKPRO 16-inch White Mouth Tool Bag. The easy-to-carry WORKPRO 16-inch White Mouth Tool Bag is what you need for frequent work trips. At this price, it is tough to find more durable tool bags for plumbers than this one. From a manufacturer perspective, 600D polyester fabric is the best material selection to make such a robust device at the low production cost. Remarkably, numerous newbies start their first day at the work area with this reliable partner. The device features one large center holder with multiple built-in pouches and several exterior pockets. Those are enough for employees to fit all their power tools in one go. With it, you can say goodbye to the time spent going back and forth, fetching something you suddenly need for the task. Additionally, the open mouth design, along with double pull zippers, promotes effortless access to our accessories. People are relieved that they do not need to hold the bag up to find something, since it's the responsibility of the internal metal frame. At number 3. TOUGHBUILT 20-inch Massive Mouth Tool Bag. This bag is very versatile as it offers 62 pockets where you can keep important tools effortlessly. However, this amazing tool carrier isn't only the best tool bag for plumbers, but also serves well for electricians, carpenters, and constructors. To provide impressive safety and convenience to the user, there are steel-reinforced handles and heavy build construction. There are 2 side handles that are well padded and offer a perfect grip to the user. The perfect design and manufacturing of the bag allow the bag to carry the maximum load, while the hard body lining keeps the bag in the perfect shape. Another amazing feature the bag offers is the lockable zipper that never makes you worried about the safety of the workplace and keeps the important things secured inside. Among the 62 pockets of the bag, there is a Nova pocket where you can keep diaries and important documents. At number 4. DEWALT Flat Top Tools Carrier. The bag is spacious and divided into different sections to keep drills, heavy tools, and small equipment separately. However, the polyfabric material is used in the construction of the bag that makes it a reliable and durable product for long-term usage. Dual material handles are present on the top of the bag to provide extra support and flexibility. Moreover, the handles are very convenient to carry the bag and cause no issues such as redness and irritation. The heavy-duty rust-resistant metal used in the metal latches to ensure maximum strength and durability to the tool bag. Reinforced plastic bottoms never lets wear and tear of the bag and offer premium protection to tools against liquid, moist, dust, and rust. Pads around the bag prolong the life of the bag and decrease the risks of wearing out too soon. Apart from the high convenience and comfort, it's designed in a great manner that not only answers to the needs of the users, but also looks very appealing to the eyes. There are a total of 33 pockets in the bag, among which some are small, while others are large. The variety in pockets and pouches makes it the best carrier for your frequently used stuff.